Our good friend Father Ray Reitzel told me of a project he completed in the year 2001. It involved the production and installation of 12 stained glass windows in a church. Father Ray worked in conjunction with the artists on the design. The windows were produced by Scottie Griffen with the assistance of Gord Hill from Scotland. Quite a nice series of windows. Window number 1 is the creation of the world. In the beginning, God created the heavens and earth. In memory of William and Henrietta Huggestraat, Abraham shows his trust in God. In memory of Elmer and Christine Cardos, Michael and Mary Savelle. Window number 3, Moses and the Lawgiver, the 10 Commandments. This window is in memory of Walter and Evelyn Gavlowski. The Annunciation. In the 6th month, the angel Gabriel was sent by God to a town in Galilee called Nazareth, in memory of Anna and Chester Hull. The 5th window, John the Baptist baptizes Jesus. And a voice from heaven said, "This is my Son, the Beloved, with whom I am well pleased." In memory of Alex and Helen Goulas, Margaret and Nicholas Horvath, Alex and Mark Goulas and their families. The Last Supper, the Passover. In memory, Anna Spence, Violet and John Ostrovich, Pearl and Alex Zavo and families. Jesus has compassion on the crowd and healed their sick. In memory of George and Kathleen Kunkel, Teresa Kunkel, Tony and Olive Kunkel, Roy and Lucy Frizzy. Window number 8, I am with you always until the end of time. In loving memory of Frank and Anna Farkas, Steve and Helen Struer, Frank and Helen Farkas and family. The resurrection of Jesus. Thomas the twin, one of the disciples, was not with them when Jesus came, so the other disciples told him, "We have seen the Lord." But he said to them, "Unless I see the mark of the nails in his hands and put my finger in the mark of his sides, I will not believe." In loving memory of Charles Takas and Rose, Chuck, John, Richard, and family. Window 10, the Pentecost. When the day of Pentecost had come, they were all together in one place. And suddenly from heaven there came a sound like the rush of a violent wind, and it filled the entire house where they were sitting. Divided tongues as of fire appeared among them, and a tongue rested on each of them. In loving memory of Anton and Teresa Bosniak, donated by Joseph and Jolyn Bosniak and family. In the sanctuary there's 2 further windows, one commemorating the Jubilee. The window celebrating the Jubilee year 2000 was donated by the Sloot family, Reitzel family, Vamos family, Sobeski family, Sally family, Miller family, Strudwick family, Paul family, Berkeley family, Cagle family, and Josiak family. St. Jude hears our prayer. In memory, Jose and Rosario Lopez, dedicated by the Lopez family. I really appreciate Father Reitzel giving me the opportunity to work on this project. It's a labor of love involving several years of work, and it's a very inspirational presentation. Thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas on YouTube. Come on back.